very key and clear commitment to where our children learn. So this is very exciting.
The most important part of this building is you and you and you, and especially you, Dr. Peterson. It is the teachers, the staff, the classroom moms and dads, and everyone in between that make this building special.
I'm grateful that he will have the same Ocean View programs, spirit, traditions, and inspiring teachers that have made Ocean View successful for so long. We will have the same culture, maritime program, and success with us. It will be the same vision, just a new view. Thank you.